What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix S Pen is not connecting issue in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your mobile. So to restart, swipe down and open quick settings panel and then click on this power icon. Now click on restart and then again click on this restart icon to restart your phone. So after restarting, it will fix the S Pen not connecting issue. But if it doesn't fix your issue, then the next solution is reset the S Pen settings. So for that, open settings, scroll down and click on advanced features and then click on S Pen. Now click on this three dot more icon on the top right corner and here you will see a reset S Pen option. So just simply tap on this option to reset the S Pen settings. When you will tap on this option, it will reset all the S Pen settings that you have customized back to factory default. And after that, the S Pen connection issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution is try updating your mobile software. So to update mobile software, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down to the end and click on software update. Now click on download and install, and from here if you have any pending software update of your phone, then update your phone software to latest version. And after updating the phone software to the latest version, the S Pen connection issue will be 100% fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.